This thing flies. This thing absolutely flies. Welcome aboard this beautiful 970 XL game fisher. Boat's called Rainbow Runner, on its way to Inhassoro, Mozambique. This is one very special boat. Big family boat, you know, lots of diving, snorkeling, all the nice things in life. Got that island style vibe going. We're actually sitting here with a Helm Master stay point on. Engines are doing their own thing, shifting gear, changing steering direction. If you look at the boat and the layout and everything, we've got here all the extended shades, removable shades, flybridge, Starlink, everything. It makes you just want to go on holiday in Mozambique. Full Helm Master Level 4 EX. These are the brand new 350 V6 4.3 liters. This was the very first pair in the country. This thing flies. This thing absolutely flies. 55 knots at full tilt. It's been a long ride with this one. Just shy of a year. This is again another first one of its kind. We're very excited. Got all the nice creature comforts that one would want on a boat of this size. Very happy with the outcome. Can't wait to get it to its new home.